Yes, good afternoon, happy Wednesday. Have a nice day, everyone. May our Christmas, New Year, or by next year, I hope and pray that God will bless us abundantly by year 2026. You know, this year, I have struggling so much about financial. It's hard to budget. My salary is, because my salary this time is smaller than my salary before. I'm struggling how to budget with that. Every month I need to pay something in the Philippines, and what left in my wallet or in my pocket or in my hand is only the receipt. I hope and pray that God will bless me abundantly this coming year 2026, and God will open the doors for me in the other place, other country, that I can use what I studying, like caregiving and nursing aid or nursing assistant. And I hope and pray that my career will level up, and also my financial will level up also, that God will give me additional source of income, additional passive income, because I want to continue supporting campus ministry Philippines. I want to be part of the charity in our church, to thank God for all the goodness that God has done into my life since I was a kid. And I want to leave a legacy if ever that I was gone in this world. I want the all the people knows me and became part of my life. I want them to remember me always, that I'm always be in their heart, in their mind, wherever they are. That I can leave a legacy. I can plant a good memory for them, so that when I was gone, I'll always be remembered. They won't forget me wherever they go. And this year, although I'm not studying this year because I'm struggling financially. Last year I'm studying because I have a little savings. I use that savings for my studies. And this year I did not study because I don't have budget for studying. I hope by next year God will give blessing abundantly, and my career will level up, and also financial freedom. And I hope this coming December will so many Christmas party I need to attend. But what I pray to God is always in good health, to be a blessing to me. And part of that is we need to have bliss. God will bless us to be a blessing to others. And that's all, guys. Have a nice day, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Miss you all, and I love you all. Bye.